you will be able to read fault codes. Fault codes are always going to give you freeze frame data, which will show you the status of the fault code. You will have help in component. It's going to show you the exact part that you're looking for that's possibly causing the fault code. You can see more information about this component, and you will see that the system components are with pinouts here. Also, you can view it on diagram. Once you open the diagram, you will have a full overlay of the engine, and you can expect to see this. So CY7 is right here, CY12 is under that one. This is the main ECU. Also, if you click on it, you will be able to find an overlay, the location of the connection, engine management control units, and pinouts, so no more while guessing. Next step would be fault code troubleshooting, which will allow you to have a multi-step process of how to solve the fault code. So troubleshooting. Next would be processes as following. If that did not solve the fault code, you can move to the next step. Step 2, you configure it here. If it did not solve the step, you can go to the next one. After this, if this part solved the step, you can simply go next, and clear fault codes will be done. Monitoring is watching the live data selection or tracking sensors on the engine. 223 sensors. They are separated by groups, and you can simply choose one of these. Filter regeneration, salt level, state, salt content, soup level relative measuring, and we have relative measuring of soot, and this is the rest, or you can watch it through the live data selection. With Jaltest, it's going to give you a multi-step process. You will have a brief explanation of what's about to happen. This regeneration is of the particular filter. Important notes that you should follow, so whoever is working on the system knows how to actually approach it and not get lost. Next step is going to be some initial conditions that you must meet that can also be tracked here. So red means no go, green means go. Going back, once you start, it's going to go through the filter region, and usually it takes more than a minute, but in my case it's going to be over in a few minutes because it's a demo mode. But what you can do also is, okay, didn't allow me, it's finished. Process is finished. Next step is a full overview of what actually happened, and you can follow this step through. So that is the filter region. System checks, cylinder cutout. Will basically test out if cylinders turn on or off correctly. In this case, it's a 4-engine cylinder. Moving to the next stage, after the explanation, you have initial conditions, and you do have manual process or automatic to select, going to cylinder 2, and you can simply, now if I'm still not touching anything, you'll see that it turns on and off again. It's because of the demo kit, and it's like I'm connected somewhere. But in your case, once you select off, it's going to stay off. Now, again, it's going to move for me, but you get the picture. Once it's done, you can simply finish it all up. And this is, again, the full overlay you have.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.